5 ways to eliminate wasted ad spend. You're running tons of ad campaigns, but how many of them are actually getting you some kind of return on your investment? According to Next & Co. Digital Media's Waste Report, the numbers on wasted ad spend are simply staggering. In Q1 of 2022, an average of 40% of media spend was wasted. You're talking about billions of dollars here. Google found that more than 56% of ad impressions are never even seen by customers. Proxima estimates $37 billion of worldwide marketing budgets are being wasted on poor digital performance. So what can you do to make sure that you stand out from the majority of other advertisers out there? It sounds tricky, but it's possible to make sure that you're not just blowing all your ad budget. Here are 5 ways that you can do to eliminate wasted ad spend and make sure your ads actually get seen. Strategy 1, this one's simple. Target your audience effectively. 66% of customers expect companies to understand their unique needs and expectations. From looking at who your audience is, to doing lookalike campaigns, to uploading your email list, to letting Facebook and Google learn based on where you're getting conversions, this all helps you target the right people. The last thing you want to do is show your ad to the wrong customer. Think about your user persona. Who's your ideal customer? Only show those people ads and remove everyone else. Once your ads become more and more profitable, and as you scale them up, then you can expand your audience. But first, have laser focus on your ideal customer before you go more broad. Strategy 2, retarget users at different points and parts of your funnel. Consumers are 70% more likely to convert after clicking on a retargeting ad campaign. Here's what I mean by this. Look, if someone comes to your website, let's say you're selling mattresses, they add that mattress to their checkout. They don't buy though. You're devastated. You show them a remarketing ad for that mattress. So whenever they browse the web on different sites, they see ads for, guess what? Your mattress that you're selling. And you know what? That ad also showcases how it's 5 or 10% off. They click, they buy. That's a great way to generate more sales because you're targeting the right type of people. If someone added something to their cart but they didn't convert, you know they're interested. Or if you're in B2B and someone went to one of your lead form pages, filled it out partially or all the way, but they didn't click the submit button because they changed their mind, remarketing them will increase your odds of converting them. Strategy 3, leverage a cross-channel approach. Brands using 3 or more channels in a campaign enjoy a 287% higher purchase rate than those with a single channel campaign. Plus, here's a beautiful part. You can take all the learnings that you have from one channel like Instagram or TikTok and apply it to Facebook and Google and the other channels. That's what we do. That's how you can run so many more ad experiments at once and then figure out what's working with your ideal audience and then fine-tune your campaigns for all the other channels or platforms and get the most ROI. Strategy 4, use my ads grader tool. Go to neilpatel.com/blog. In the navigation, just click on tools, and then I want you to click on my ads grader. Go through the forms and the processes. It's really easy. You just have to click some buttons, and boom, you're off into the race, and it'll analyze all that you're doing with your ads that are right and wrong and tell you what to fix. And best of all, it's free. Strategy 5, run ads at the right time. An ad run at the right time can help you generate sales. An ad run at the wrong time will just cost you money. Let's say you're in B2B and you're trying to get more phone calls for your call center or your salespeople, and you show your ads Monday through Sunday, in essence 7 days a week. But if your people are only there to answer the phone calls from Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 p.m., well, the rest of the time you're paying money and no one's there to answer the phone call. Same with B2C. If you're advertising for your store or your company and you're not around 24/7, then you're going to end up losing money. This is what's called day party. It's a simple way to save money if your business is not operating during all times, especially during times like the holidays when you should be turning off your ads if you have nothing to sell during those periods. Now, if you need help maximize the return on your ad spend and you don't want that big wastage, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we won Paid Ad Campaign of the Year. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We're here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.